Okay, problem is grips come loose and certain nuts and bolts come loose. The tie wire pliers are the saviour for that. Everyone knows about the grip wire, but basically, you know, you've got this spool of wire, you can cut it off and you put it around here, and then you lock them together like that, and then you lock it, and then you just pull it, and it's really cool, and then you get it about the right tension, and then you snap them off and you push them into the rubbery grip so they're out of the way. That's one thing. Down here, we've drilled a little hole in this filler plug. You know, certain things can come loose on bikes, and here's an example of how you could do it. So you peel it through, something like that, or you drill a hole in another little bolt. Again, you lock it on. Actually, I'll come back forward a bit. There, lock it on, and you know, it twists on there, it looks pretty. You can push that back, and let's see, now you get it through there, like that, and pull it in, and same again, you just lock your pliers onto there, and you do that, and then you just trim it off, you know, obviously pretty close. And you know, you just feel good that the thing can't be loose. You can keep a visual eye on it. I'm trying to bend that out of the way. But yeah, in that instances, or steering head or drain plugs, certain people have problems and wanted the security of that. So these little pliers are great for that.